What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Torrent, and today I'm going to show you guys how to purchase Safe Moon, Safe Star, Safe Mars, whatever you want to purchase through TRUSTWALLET. Now, I've come out with a ton of videos recently over the last couple weeks, especially Safe Moon. I came out with that very early. If you guys want to get early to the show, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that like button. Truly appreciate all the overwhelming feedback I've received in the last couple weeks, but I have received some feedback from my friends down south in the US saying that Binance US is making it hard to transfer your BNB to your MetaMask. So with that being said, I have found a way to do this through TRUSTWALLET. Very simple as well, and it's working for all of my US friends. So today I'm going to be going over how to purchase any of these tokens through the Binance Smart Chain network with your TRUSTWALLET. Before I dive into the computer, guys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's just get right in. All right, just a couple brief comments on the coin. We're on CoinMarketCap here. It's down 7% in the last 24 hours. But on 7 days, I still think we're up almost 300%. We are seeing a push right now, which is awesome. Something I basically saw what happened after this big pump and dump. I think that's going to happen again. There's a big pump, bunch of whales taking dumps, and I feel we will keep continuing to pump. It's a great coin. I myself have a small bag, but I am not a financial advisor, so don't take me seriously. This is all for entertainment purposes. All right, so I'm going to start the recording on my phone here. All right, so I have my phone recording right now, but the website you're trying to go to is trustwallet.com. If you do not have one yet, it's very easy to open. All my friends in the States can do this, and you're actually able to fund the account with your Apple Pay or your credit card. So with that being said, there are two types of BNB. Now I have this up on my phone right now. We can see that you will want to purchase BNB. You will want to purchase BNB and then trade it into the Smart Chain coin, as we can see down below here. So you will use your BNB and purchase it. Now purchase however much you would like to. It is up to you. Depending on the state you are in, it might be a different third-party provider. No issue. Type in however much you want to go through, hit the next steps, and you will basically be prompted to purchase this through Apple Pay or your credit card. Now, it will take some time for it to process. Give it a second, give it 5-10 minutes to go through, make sure that everything is fine, and once it happens, you will be able to refresh your page and see the money in your wallet here. Once you have your BNB, you are going to exchange it for your Smart Chain. So down at the very bottom, you can see the DEX. I click that, and you're going to put in your BNB balance, and you're going to swap it for the BNB Smart Chain there. Easy to swap, no problem, no issue. Once you have your Smart Chain, it will show how much money you will have in your BNB Smart Chain here, and you're going to want to send that to your MetaMask wallet. Now, MetaMask as well, if you don't have one, very easy to sign up, very easy to download into your extensions. But once we are on the Smart Chain network here, not the Ethereum mainnet. Now, if you don't have the Binance Smart Chain, not to worry. You go to academy.binance.com, connecting MetaMask to your Binance Smart Chain, and all you have to do here is put in this URL, chain ID, and your symbol, basically up here where it says custom RPC. Once that is connected, we will copy this to our clipboard, and that is what we paste into our recipient address. We click how much BNB we want to send, we click next, we go through those steps, and we just sent Binance Smart Chain to our MetaMask wallet here. Once you are inside MetaMask, it's as simple as going to any of these pages, whether it's Safe Moon, Safe Star, Safe Mars, and you will click buy now. Because your MetaMask is already preloaded, you will see in the top right here, it's in blue. We're going to give it a second to load in the token. And just like that, we will click I understand, we'll click continue. It should preload how much BNB into Safe Moon. We'll set the slippage at 12%, and we will set that to go through. Now, just like that, you have Safe Moon, or whichever you chose to purchase. If you want to sell it, you just click this arrow to do the exact opposite, and you exchange your Safe Moon for BNB. Now, once it's in your MetaMask, you easily send it back to your Trust wallet by you copy the address for the BNB Binance we just sent in. And just like that, you've purchased it through your Trust wallet and you've put it back in there. I hope all of my US friends enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, guys, take care.